Reader's Workshop is a really powerful way to teach reading. It's a method of teaching that gives our students strategies for reading and comprehension. It also allows our teachers to be able to differentiate for all of our students and meet the needs of our higher learners as well as our struggling students. Reading Workshop also fosters a love of reading. Our students are able to spend a significant amount of time reading independently at their just right level, but they're also choosing books of high interest to them, which really fosters that love of reading and wanting to continue to read. Reader's Workshop is part of a balanced literacy approach to teaching reading. So our Reader's Workshop and our Writer's Workshop is simply part of how we teach literacy here at Tower Hill School. So we also have a word study or phonics block of time where students are learning that skill, as well as we do shared reading, we do interactive read-alouds, we do guided reading, and we also do independent reading. It's amazing to see the progress our students have made in reading in really just half of a year. To see students who are struggling readers go to be pretty proficient readers, and they feel so good about themselves. They become independent in reading. They become very skilled at choosing books at their just right level and choosing books of high interest to them. So reading becomes something that becomes part of their life. And that's what we want. We want our students to have a reader's life. We want them to always have a book nearby.